Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with the unboxing of a new product which just got launched by Amazon, and it's a perfect way to give your home a boost and start making it smart. It's Amazon's new Echo Pop. Now, Alexa or Echo devices have been in our lives for such a long time, but they have been in just gray, black or white color. For people who love colors, this has been such a huge disappointment, but not anymore. Amazon recently launched its new Echo Pop in 4 different colors, out of which 2 colors are refreshingly new, purple and green. I got the purple one for the unboxing and I'm so excited to take a look at it because I was so tired of the black, grey and white Alexa. It needed some color. So without wasting any time, let's take a look at it. It's only been a second since I saw this, but I absolutely love the lavender purple shade. It looks so beautiful, and this device is gonna look so stunning when you keep it in your bedroom or in your living room, as opposed to the old, boring, dull black, white, gray Alexa. This one is gonna look aesthetic, if that is what is important to you, or if you love colors, you are a colorful person. And this Echo Pop has 3 microphones as opposed to Echo Dot 3rd generation, which came before it. It had 4 microphones. So this one kind of misses out on 1 microphone, and it has 3 buttons: volume up, volume down and mute button. And this is what is used to base your Alexa on the table. And this is where the power cord goes. Like how you power your Alexa. It needs continuous power supply, if you guys didn't know about it. So this is how you base it. This is how it looks on table, and according to me, this design is very decent, very minimalistic, aesthetic. They have added the colors. So when we talk about the looks, this Alexa device is 10 out of 10. I hope that they do this to the older devices as well. They add the colors to it. And this is our power cord, which we get with it. It's white in color. Perfect, goes with the purple lavender shade very well. If it was black, that would be a huge disappointment because that would not go very well with the purple color. And these are our instruction manuals. Let's just pretend for a second that they are important and we have to read them. Actually, change of mind. This one is really good if you are using an Alexa device for the very first time, you're not aware of the concept of smart home assistants. This manual can come in really handy. It's very simple to read. Your mind will be able to grasp the knowledge in just a minute and you'll be able to know what to do with your Alexa device. This one, on the other hand, I say that you drop it. Now let's take a closer look at our Echo Pop. So just like the older Echo devices, this device is also made of plastic, and according to Amazon, they have used up to 60% recycled molded plastic and up to 100% recycled fabrics. But that's not it. This device is also very light on hands. You don't feel the weight at all. According to Amazon's specifications, it's around 196 grams. So you can imagine how small and how lightweight it is. But the most amazing thing about Echo Pop are its speakers. It has lossless high definition audio quality, which is even better than the lossless standard audio quality that we get in most of the devices. So as a speaker, when you will be listening to songs on it, it will generate a very crisp and clear voice. This is where the famous Alexa ring comes. It changes colors according to the commands and according to the operations it's working on. These are the color codes on the manual that I was telling you to read. So make sure you read that and you will understand what is your device trying to do. I'm just going to install the Amazon Alexa app on my iPhone so that I can get started with setting it up. Echo devices in general are very easy to set up. It hardly takes a minute or 2. You just have to download the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, log in your Amazon account on it, give access to all the contacts and all the things it needs access to, because then how else your Echo device is going to work, and then you can just get started. Now I'm just signing in my Amazon account right now. It's done. My profile is just ready. I just had to sign in and that's it. And now my Echo Pop is online. It was just very easy. And now the Echo Pop device is completely ready to use. You can download skills on it, create routines, create customizations, but that's a whole different topic. If you want me to talk more about it, I will talk more about it in a separate video. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, this Echo Pop device comes at 10 different volume levels, just like the older Echo devices, As you increase or decrease the volume, you can see that in the color of the ring going up and down, and I absolutely love the effect. You can see as I'm increasing the volume, the level of the ring is coming up as well. Isn't that amazing? So before I finish this video, let me show you guys one cool thing that you must know before you start using this device. Alexa, are you spying on me?
No, I'm not spying on you.
Now, as you can see that Alexa is saying that it's not spying on me, but let's not take any risks because it's important to protect our privacy. Open the Amazon Alexa app, go to More, then go to Settings. There you will find an option which will be called Alexa Privacy. Find Review Voice History. Tap on that, and there you will find Delete All Recordings from today. You can also delete all the recordings for the past month, for the past week, whatever you want. Once you delete it, all the questions or all the queries that you had with Alexa, all the conversations will be gone. So in case you want to delete your old conversations, it's pretty easy to do. Now let me show you one more cool trick which is just limited to Echo Pop. Alexa, set an alarm for 4:38 a.m.
Second alarm set for 4:38 a.m.
On the Echo devices, when your alarm is ringing, you can just tap on the forehead of your Alexa device and it will just cool down. See, isn't that cute and cool as well? So guys, that was it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys loved the new Echo Pop device. I absolutely loved it. The color, the features, the audio quality, all of it is just so amazing. It comes for rupees 5,000 on Amazon, but just look out for the discounts on particular credit cards or debit cards. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye!